Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Taurus. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again with me today and for all your lovely likes and comments. I'm very blessed. Thank you. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, center of my spread, I have the 10 of Cups for you today, Taurus, with the King of Swords in reverse. Okay. Okay, Taurus, bottom of my deck, I have the Fool card in reverse. So this could either be somebody feeling that somebody made a fool out of them. There's a lot of depression here, wanting to get out of a situation, trying to get unstuck from a situation and wanting emotional happiness, wanting a fresh, brand new beginning, wanting 10 of Cups, but been dealing with this King of Swords who's very unemotional. My God, this is polar opposite energy here. Somebody wants to change now their life or move ahead and maybe bring an ending to an old commitment. I could be wrong. I mean, I'll have to clarify these cards. But first, I'm going to, Taurus, take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'll clarify these cards for you. So, Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. Taurus and their person. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person spirit. Thank you. And a couple more from here, Taurus. All right, good to go, Taurus. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I have moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. So somebody's coming out of this energy of depression and sadness, or at least trying to. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information, which sounds like this King of Swords doing this, right? This is a very controlling character. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. I write you messages, then delete them because I just don't know what to say. I'm so sorry because I know that my silence is hurting you. I'm healing and trying to find my strength to be honest with you about how I truly feel. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you're my world and I want everyone to know. I took an oath with God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. You can't imagine how much I love you. You're the person anyone would desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. So, Taurus, if these are resonating with you and your life story, let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll clarify these cards. So, my angels, what do you have for Taurus? What do you have for Taurus here? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Activist and vision. Somebody's taking action, I feel here. Maybe they have a vision set on their future happiness, maybe with somebody else, I don't know. But somebody has a vision for the future now, and I think somebody's ready now to take action. So let's see. Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Four of Cups in reverse. Why is the Four of Cups in reverse? Somebody's been in a situation where they've been rather depressed. Maybe there's been a lot of conflict, lot of never-ending cycle of stress and tension and broken promises, and somebody never kind of leveling up, feeling rejected all the time, feeling sad, feeling depleted. Somebody's just wanting, not being very happy here. Taurus, somebody's just not been happy in the situation. I think they're trying to pull themselves out of a very stuck position. What's this Hangman in reverse? Hangman in reverse. Yeah, somebody's trying to put an end to their old life and maybe transform their life. Looking for complete happiness, emotional well-being. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Somebody's making a choice here. Yes, they're taking action, at least trying to make a solid decision, solid choice to find their happiness and not be content with immature behaviors or gossip or people who are not stable, page energies. So, these are very small offers, I would say, not even offers. This is just very, very immature energies. Somebody's making a decision, I deserve more than that. I'm looking for stability in my life. I want a stable, brand new beginning, which leads me to the Ten of Cups. Complete happiness. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody's looking for a committed, stable relationship, which is going to go the long haul, which is going to give them emotional, financial, spiritual, all kinds of stability and growth. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. Yeah, somebody's ready. Somebody's ready to take action here, Taurus. Somebody's absolutely ready to take action. They want this creative, exciting path, new journey to find their happiness. Then Spirit, what's this King of Swords doing here between all these lovely cards? King of Swords in reverse. What's this? What's the King of Swords? There may be some obstacles. Somebody may have to work through those. There could be somebody that one has to drop first before moving ahead. There is this very strict kind of a person, King of Swords, very unemotional, very rude, mean kind of a person. Somebody has to be dropped here, I think, Capricorn. Somebody who doesn't respect their person, and always creates, fights, or has immature way of talking, could be rude, rash, brash. I think somebody has to work their way out of a connection first. Something has to be dropped before this new life can begin. So, Chariot spirit, what's this Chariot? Chariot. Somebody is leaving all emotional disappointments behind, and yes, somebody's found their confidence here, Taurus. I'm so happy to see this card. Somebody has finally found their self-worth, their self-respect. They know that they are the Empress. They can attract abundance wherever they go. Somebody is realizing the place I'm in doesn't make me happy. This is useless, to keep investing in a place which is always draining me out. I think this Empress may be taking action and getting onto that Chariot, and things are going to start moving very fast now, Taurus, from what I see. No wonder the Activist card was there, and the vision. Somebody has a vision and they're going to go for it. And I think the universe is going to be supporting them here. Wheel of Fortune spirit. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. Somebody is putting an end to a situation, I think, which there was no love, there was no forward movement, there was no stability. I think somebody is finally putting an end to this past thing and ending this chapter, ending this last chapter cycle of their life, and moving towards maybe somebody more stable. Somebody who can actually offer them everything that this Empress deserves. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. But it all boils down to taking action and somebody having the strength. Somebody needs to gather up their strength to make that final choice. The final choice to heal their own life, to bring back balance back into their own life. And this could mean ending something of your past, Taurus. There is a bit of fear in starting this brand new journey here. So this will be the final call here. Do you have the strength to not stay with your eyes closed and, being pulled into different directions? Should I not? Or are you going to have that vision to finally find peace, balance, harmony, and healing into your own life? So what's this Fool card in reverse, Spirit? Why was this our overall energy? Fool card in reverse. Somebody sitting, you see, when you're in low vibration, you don't make the best decisions, Taurus. If you are sitting in a little bit of depression or sadness, it's very difficult to kind of understand what you should invest in, what you shouldn't. Somebody is afraid of making the wrong choice here. So you need to pull yourself out of this depression first. Start kind of maybe doing yoga or exercising, or put your vibration up a little bit so that you can then make the correct decision, correct choice for your life. Okay? All right. So that's all I have for you. Taurus, till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.